Hello everyone, and look at this idiot in the car. You're going to find funny moments available at 3-Win Work. This car is moving too fast. Then it collided with the truck and was thrown away. And it got hit by the other car. What's happening in this one? It happened way too fast. I can't believe that car flew up and crashed into the other car.
Oh my God!
Idiots in cars. Changing lanes without looking. The results? You get hit by a car. This bulky truck doesn't look all that good. Oh, and it fell. Whew. Reversing the car always costs a lot of money. A crazy car has lost control and it crashed into the pole. That is a horrible accident. Ow. Oh no. No, hitting two cars like that costs a lot of money. This unlucky truck fell into a hole. This is an unstable wedding stage. Hello, girl with acrobat ability in bed. 6-year-old birthday party. Oh no, I haven't even blown out the candles yet. These two cars like to greet each other with a smart kiss. Ooh! This car is recklessly overtaking, causing serious accidents. The plane should have gone to the sky, but it's flying into his head. Ouch. A road this bad, it's really hard to transport goods. Ow, I almost broke my horn. Idiots in cars. A car crossing the street like this deserves to get his license taken away. If it's a race car, acrobats are not inferior to anybody.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby!
Oh, she's got.
It's hot! This guy wants to make the car fly. This is a horrible truck accident. Don't look. Oh, I'm shocked. My head hurts. When you get teased, even though I'm angry, I still can't do anything. Good luck, bro. It's funny, but remember to take out the trash. In the distance, there's a major fire truck accident. This is idiots in cars. The driver here is lacking awareness and he just runs the red light. Unexpected lane change? Nope, no signal. This stubborn car, he can't escape the police chase. Forklift, we have a problem. He should be careful with those items above. No, 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 no. Wow. We have lots of rubber bands wrapped a watermelon. What will happen? This car is quite shabby, but the power is not inferior to anyone. She's running over the bridges pretty well until she reaches the finish line and falls. Rhino versus truck, competing for strength. If you have poor driving skills, you should go slowly. This truck was coming from across the street. Terrible, terrible. Oh. You turn around once, and you turn around twice, and you mess up the whole road. The rear camera of this car is showing the other car coming up really fast. This man is trying to perform a swing. Or be a laughingstock for everyone else to see. At least one car door broke. Crazy, crazy fast car. Do you think the tree is too weak or the man is too strong? This car is going way too fast. Oh, look at the load on that pickup truck. Performance with the persistence of the cameraman. The level of this driver is also quite good. Maybe not. We're in a hurry, buddy. Oh, cute duck. This car just ran straight into the train. No mistakes, but that bus ran a red light. Run fast, run fast! Idiots driving.
This
car just lost control.
And thus lost control.
And he just crashed into the other driver. Falling is very painful. I'd be an angry bike man. Thank you for watching our videos. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest new videos. Thank you, and see you again. Miss, can the wipers still be used? Oh, it's her reward. This girl is very happy. You can cause an accident and you suffer the consequences yourself. These two cars are just hitting each other on the road. They're going to be crushed on the roadway. Drive carefully, buddy. You don't want to spend a little money just to fix up that car. Just stand still and true love will come.